Hi the wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Beauty Spot by Gabor in the color GL30-32, also known as dark copper. If you really want to see what this color looks like, especially in nice natural sunlight, check out my review of Radiant Beauty, where I showcase this color in a slightly longer style. So I'm not really going to talk much about the color here since it's something I've already explored, but I do want to talk to you about Beauty Spot. Beauty Spot has an average cap size, but it's a really nice average cap size. On me, it fits a little snug, but I'd say this is true to average and kind of stretchy. So if you're a little bit larger or a little bit smaller than that, this should also accommodate you. The front on Beauty Spot is 4 inches. The crown down is another 4 inches. The sides are 3, so this is really short and layered. And then the back is 4, and the nape is 3, which is great because the nape's a little bit longer, which gives you a little bit more coverage. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn around so you can see what Beauty Spot looks like on all sides. I think this one's really nice. It's a really easy style. You don't really have to do much to it. It looks really pretty. Especially, I love this in this color. It looks really nifty in this dark copper color because it is a very dynamic copper. So you get little flecks of that brighter color, really brings out the most of the layering on top. This one has quite a bit of volume on top, so this is not for people who don't like a little bit of built-in body. I'm gonna go ahead and take Beauty Spot off now so you can see what the cap construction looks like. So as you can see, Beauty Spot has a generous band of felt at the front hairline. She's also open on the top, open wefted on the sides, and in the back with an extended open nape. And it has Velcro adjusters, which we love. I love Velcro adjusters at least. And she does have nice open ear tabs, which make wearing glasses a snap. Here's what the top of this one looks like in this dark copper color. You can see there's some permatease in there, but it's not super obvious. It just gives you a lot of body up here because the whole top of this thing is permateased. Really luscious layering here in the back, really smooth and tapered. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back on for you now. It's only 2 ounces, so this wig is super light. Doesn't require much work to look cute. I actually think that the bang on here is almost perfect. Like, I can wear it down and it doesn't really, you know, make me mad at it. Or you could sweep it off to the side, whatever your preference is. I think it looks cute down, so I'm gonna keep it like that. You can even push all this forward if you wanted to do that. Get some of that contouring cream from John Bruno, really play with this. Great stuff. So this has been my review of the Beauty Spot by Gabor in the color GL30-32, also known as dark copper. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs. I've spelled it for you. You know how it goes. And, you know, until next time, I hope that we'll see you again and you'll subscribe, maybe. Be fun, you know. All right, well, until next time, have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.